Hey everybody, this is my arrangement of the X-Files theme song, also known as the Illuminati song. It is cool. So it goes like this. I'll play it and then I'll talk about it. So what we're doing is kind of finicky at first, and you got to be really careful because we need all the notes to ring. If they don't ring, it doesn't sound as awesome. Here's if they don't ring. Here's if they do ring. We get this really neat sound. And to make that happen, what you need to do is make sure you're right on the tips of your fingers with your left hand, because we need 5th fret on the 3rd string, 1st string open, then 2nd string, 6th fret. And we got to be right on the tip or else you'll end up muting some of them. And that wrecks it. And if we use these 2 fingers for those notes, then our pinky finger is free to do that. And then, same again, but this time 5. And with your right hand, you should always thumb, index, ring, middle, index, ring, middle. If you go all thumbs, it's super hard. Some people can do it, and even if you can, it's not worth the effort. It's way easier to just do this. And when you get used to it, your right hand will thank you for it, because you'll have 3 fingers that can play guitar instead of just 1. So 7 on the first one, then same thing again, and then 5. And then we get this really neat thing called natural harmonics to do the next bit for us. So natural harmonics happen anywhere that you're cutting the string into equal parts. So this is the 12th fret, and believe it or not, the 12th fret is also the middle of your string. And if you just touch the string, don't press on it, just touch it right over the metal fret. Don't even move the string with your finger. We're just touching it enough that you can feel the string. String shouldn't even move. You touch it, pluck it, then you pretend the string is hot and you get off of it real quick. Like that. So that's the 12th fret. The next one we need is at the 7th fret. This is actually a third of the string at the 7th fret. We could cut the string into 3 and get 3 equal parts like that. So if I do 19, you can try this. I get the same sound at 7 or 19 because that's a third of the string. So we go 12 here, 7 here, then we go D string, 4th string, 12th fret, then back to the 5th string, 7, and then 3rd string, 12, and then you could play this at the end. It sounds like that. But what I would prefer you do is this. So we finish with those 2 strings together, 5th and 1st strings together. And what that does is it gives you a little bit of time to get the next one of those ready. So we're ready for the spooky chord. So we go like this. And then the next one is almost the same. Then open. Then 8, 7, 5, 3, 5, 0. And then 8, 7, 5, 3, 7, second time, 0, and then 7. Now if you want to go like master mode on this one, for the 8, 7, 5, 3, 5, you can do these things which are called artificial harmonics. They sound real cool, but what I'm actually doing is I'm pressing on the 8th fret with my left hand, and then with my right hand I touch the string just over where the 20th fret would be if I had a 20th fret, but I don't. But what I'm doing is I'm touching the string right in the middle between there and there, which would be the 20th fret, and then just touching it. Then with my other hand I use my other finger, I use my ring finger and pluck it like that. So I get that's going to take some practice. But lucky for you, there's a global pandemic right now, and you'll have lots of time to practice. So do your best and have fun. See ya.